In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Binance Smart Chain fully updated for 2025. First, open your browser and launch MetaMask. If you don't have it installed yet, go to metamask.io, download the extension, and follow the setup instructions to create or import your wallet. Make sure you're logged in before moving to the next step. Once you're in MetaMask, go to the top drop-down menu where it says Ethereum Mainnet. Click that and scroll down until you see Binance Smart Chain in the list of available networks. Click the Add button next to it. Now you'll see the network details autofilled, but it's always good to double check. Once it looks good, go ahead and click Approve. In some case, after approving, MetaMask will ask if you want to switch to Binance Smart Chain right away. Click Switch Network to confirm. Now your wallet is officially connected to BSC. You'll now see BNB as the main token in your wallet and you're ready to send, receive, and interact with BSC-based apps and smart contracts. That's it. Super easy, and now your MetaMask is ready to explore everything on Binance Smart Chain.